All right, so what I'm going to be demonstrating today is this Bell and Howell Super 8 movie projector. This is an auto-loading, they call it, movie projector, and we'll see how that works in a moment. This happens to be model 346A, and it was, in my view, the best Super 8 movie projector manufactured in the 1960s, made in the USA. This is a case that's kind of cool. Press this button and off comes, there we go, off comes basically the side lid. And we will just park this over here and leave it there for the rest of the demonstration. Here's the electrical cord. This would also, the take-up reel would also fit in here. And I'm going to plug this projector in now. You can see these arms both extend very easily. The take-up reel is going to go over here on the left side. And that's it. And then your movie reel is going to go on the right side. Remember with these Super 8 films, you always have the little dots facing outward. So we want to make sure we do that correctly. We'll feed this on. And now we're ready to go. So there is an on-off switch here with the motor. So the machine is on now, but it's in the still position. And that gives us time to load this properly. So we're going to pinch that down. Feed the tape in here. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'm just going to start the forward motion to make that a little bit easier. So there's forward. You see the take-up reel's on the way. And now we're just going to feed that through like that. I still have this pinched down until it comes out the other side. And then while it's still loading, I can feed this around. Now there is a way to automatically just feed that on if you're more skilled than I am. So what I do is I just stop the projector like I just did. I'm going to hook it on here manually for a moment. I just find that easier to do. And now we're ready to actually see our film. So I'm going to turn it this way. The projector, going to use this mailing envelope as a projection screen. And then we can just roll it on. So where is that switch? There we go. On. And then there's the ball. And I'm going to turn the lights off really quick so you maybe have a better view of the movie we're watching. It's a scene from Lake Tahoe in the 1960s or 70s apparently. Now this is just a tiny image here because we're only about 18 inches away from the display. Normally you would back up the projector, 10 feet from a viewing screen, and then it would be very large. There is a focus knob here that you use. So there's out of focus, and here's in focus. So I'm going to turn the light back on now, so we can actually see the projector. What can we do from here? We can stop it. We can rewind it. It's as simple as that. Stop it again, and then start the movie again. Those are basically the features. Now, when this runs all the way off and the movie's over, you can basically load this point to point. So turn, the whole movie will be on the take-up reel. You're going to point it over here, load it on here, and then just press the reverse button, and it'll do a very fast rewind. You could rewind it through the machine, but that's going to be wear and tear on the machine and the tape, so there's no reason to do that. Let's see, motor off. Just like that. Now we're in the still position, and we can fast forward and rewind. I've showed you that already. There's not much else to this. This particular machine comes with a bunch of dock, which I think is pretty cool. I'm going to turn that off now. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you for watching.